What's up guys, Friday afternoon and I am loading up. But before I head off for this weekend, I'm gonna run you through a product that we use on pretty much every Super Tourer build and across the fleet of Patriot games, and that's a stainless steel exhaust. Now, if you remember, you go back even a couple of years ago, what it was like to get a custom exhaust built for your truck or even for a performance car, and I've had thousands of them built over my time. You'd lose your car for a few days. It'd be thousands of dollars to get something custom made, manual bent, TIG welded in stainless steel. Torqit have now reintroduced the way that people look at custom exhaust as far as I'm concerned. On a Saturday afternoon, you can run into TJM, pick up a custom exhaust like this for any sort of touring vehicle, fit it with your mates over a carton of beer. They've just made it so simple, but kept the quality where it should be and what you expect for a custom exhaust. Now, all of the Torqit exhausts are made from 304 stainless steel, which is a marine grade stainless steel. Laser cut flanges, 2 or 3 bolt, depending on the application, but a fully manual bent system that simply just bolts straight onto the vehicle. Behind me, you'll see the 79 Series. Let's talk about the main reason you'd fit an exhaust to a 79 Series. Now, with the introduction of DPF, power gains and exhausts are not what they used to be, but you still get really good power gains out of these exhausts. The main reason, I don't care what anyone says, shoot me down in the comments if you like, that you put an exhaust on a 79 Series Cruiser, is you want to hear it. And stainless steel gives you the sound out of a 79 Series V8 that everybody just loves. Everybody frosts on in the country these days. So that's really the number one reason that you're going to do it. Let's talk about the quality in a Torqit exhaust. You'll notice all of the brackets are all stainless steel. Everything's nice and thick. These top brackets here are about 3 mil. Your flanges are going to be 6 to 8 millimeters, depending on the exhaust that you go with. Like I said, all laser cut, manual bent. What they actually do is they weld the outside and the inside of the flanges as well, so that ensures longevity with the product. But even if you do have a problem with a Torqit exhaust, 10 years warranty. I'm sure your custom exhaust shop isn't going to give you that. So for 10 years, Torqit are going to be all over it. They're made right here in Australia, down in Newcastle. Now, Torqit have an awesome facility down there where they do all of the R&D, and we've done a lot of R&D with them over the years. We've developed a lot of kits with Torqit. But the other thing with Torqit is that they do out of the box left field kits as well. Say for example, if you've got a J-Max coil conversion, with or without an extension, or one of the 4.5 ton systems, Torqit provide an exhaust that'll suit that vehicle. They now do Ram 1500, which we've developed with them, Ram 2500, and then your whole fleet of your standard sort of touring cars like your Rangers and 200 series. If you do get an exhaust that's going to be fitted to a car that's not DPF, on the dump pipe off the turbo, they come with a ceramic coating as well, and that helps to keep the heat down in the exhaust system. There you have it, really quick video before I duck out this afternoon on one of the most innovative companies that we deal with here at Patriot Campers. We use the product right across the show, tried, tested, no issues with this sort of stuff. This one's actually getting fitted to a build that the boys have got to finish on Monday, so I better get this one back down to the main workshop. If you like these videos, make sure to like and subscribe. It's Friday afternoon, I'm going to finish loading up, and I am out of here.